Hi everyone, today we are cooking up something hearty and delicious, green lentil soup with bulgur. Let's get started. First, heat 4 tablespoons of olive oil in a pot. Once it's warm, add 1 diced onion and saute until it's nice and soft. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste to give the soup a rich base. Now it's time to season. Add 3 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried mint and 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. Mix everything well to bring out those amazing aromas. Then toss in 1 cup of green lentils and 3 tablespoons of bulgur. Give it a good stir and pour in 2 liters of water. Close the lid of your pressure cooker and let it cook for about 20 minutes. And there you have it. Our green lentil soup is ready to serve. Full of flavor, comforting and perfect for any occasion. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next time on That's in Kitchen.